We've been looking for some time for replacement windows for the front of the house, in keeping with the classical nature of a 1930s bungalow, and went to Ernie after a bit of checking about with other companies there. We're quite pleased with the feedback we had seen about Vantage windows. Ernie came out to measure up and give us prices. He was excellent from the word go. Went through all the options that we could do for the windows, and was very aware of what we were looking for and how we could meet that. There was no pressure during that session with Ernie. It was very much about understanding what our needs were for the windows. He was extremely keen for us to come out to the showroom where he could show us in detail how the windows operated and how they would look compared to the current windows that were in the property at that time. So throughout that whole starting session, we felt very secure in the choices we were making, supported by a professional who clearly knew what the business was about. Again, the team in the background were really good at keeping us in contact with us, letting us know exactly what's happening, the expected times of those windows arriving and when they would be fitted. So that was great, especially working around school holidays, etc. So we knew exactly when it was going to happen, and again it was a fantastic service. Good contact from the main office, advising us who would be coming out, how long roughly it would take, what was involved, etc. And again, some of the questions that had come up then were addressed, but they were also fed back to the engineers. So when they came out to fit them, they were again fully aware of concerns that we'd maybe raised after thinking about different aspects of how the windows would be fitted, more to do with existing sort of stonework, etc. And again, they were all addressed, slight changes made on the day, so again, a fantastic service. Again, having stained glass in the windows was very much in character with the house, and we were very keen in keeping that. So that was part of the options we'd taken. The engineers, again, were very aware of that. They were very careful in taking the glass out, ensuring that there was, again, no damage occurring to that. The encapsulation service itself was really good. That was fully explained to us. Again, at the showroom we got to see examples of what had been carried out, so we knew exactly what we'd be getting. The engineers that have come out on both occasions have been really good, fantastic. As I say, working around any issues that arise on the day, making sure you're fully informed, constantly coming back and checking in with us to make sure that we were happy with the process that was going. Everything was completed, the place was left spotless, and the windows looked perfect. You would never know they'd actually been there, all done in less than a day.